No, we gotta lift it up. We gotta lift it up. Let's take this thing off. Today, the episode of what we're gonna do.
Old school Mini Cooper.
We're gonna remove this motor and get the subframe, everything ready for the GSR motor to be dropped in here.
This is the subframe over here?
Yes.
You ordered this from Europe or something, overseas?
No, he got that local somewhere, I don't know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that, right? I don't know. Okay, wait. We have to take this motor out, okay, and somehow we're gonna cut something somewhere, and then we're gonna put this in there. But all this gotta be changed out, of course, before we do all that. We're gonna look like we're gonna brace some of the parts here. We're gonna go back and brace some stuff. It doesn't look too.
Put some gut.
Yeah, put some guzzet and stuff. It doesn't look all that great, but oh well. That's the game plan.
Street car, right?
Street car, correct. That's
this is what is
that's
this?
the back.
That's the rear.
Yeah, so we'll get it all prepped up and all that. So maybe one day, because he's talking about doing it all-wheel drive and stuff like that. So later on, but just right now, we're gonna go in
Front wheel drive first.
Yeah, front wheel drive. Get this thing bolted up and all that, and then once it's in, we'll put the motor in, and then we'll figure out exactly where we're gonna brace and all that. All this point here. This doesn't look too all that great, so it's just boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, it feels sturdy, but there's no that.
I would guzz it down here somewhere also. I would guzz it here.
The sides, yeah.
Same thing with this. Is just
Like okay, any glasses over. This really don't need it, right? These sides.
Yeah. And then once we do all that, maybe later on we'll take it and get it repowder coated.
Alright, cool.
But yes.
Jay, let me pull the motor out. You on it? It's just a 10, a 12, and a 14.
Yeah, that's all.
No, it's
13. What?
So guys, this is an 80s Mini. I think it's like a 1982 or something. Early 80s. Real hardcore.
And it's lightweight.
This one was just burning away right here. You just put it right here, that's it, just leave it right. Oh, it was on the exhaust. The heck?
Oh, this is burning, huh? Wow, look at that. Good job, Uncle Hawa. Where did it go? We'll just put it right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna drop this whole thing down. That's it.
Just drop it.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
And then that one goes in.
Yeah.
It's not just the motor, it's going to be all this.
Everything.
Yeah,
Subframe,
the subframe, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, but see, this one comes out like this.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the same thing up here. I think there's a thing.
Yeah, there is.
Drop, yeah. So when we put it down, we just have to drop that. So we gotta take this thing off. Yeah. That. All right,
Out.
it's out. JB. Now we're gonna have to figure out how we're gonna do this.
The subframe.
Oh yeah, the subframe.
That's the back, right?
Yeah. That's the back, yeah. So we're gonna have to go this way. Somehow we're gonna have to weld something. We're gonna bring it up right there. Put it in. We're gonna put it on when we get back from lunch and bolt it up. And then see what we're gonna do.
those. Oh, this goes in that over
Yeah,
here.
exactly.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
That's pretty much it. I mean,
I wonder if the motor.
We'll continue as soon as we get back from lunch.
The motor doesn't go in first or nothing, right? This goes in first, right, Sone? Or
No, it's all gonna go in one piece.
the motor goes into this and then
Yeah,
everything
yeah,
goes
we're
in.
gonna go
Oh
in.
wow! All right, guys, stay tuned. Bring this Mini to life.
Hello.
All right, guys. After the motor is taken out, something like this.
20
always
years.
go down the major, the cleaning.
40 years of grease.
40 years?
40.
It's like 1982.
No, I mean like 50. This is like 50.
A lot of stuff's caked up in
Oh
there.
my god, I don't know what's going on here. Look at this.
Got some rust going on.
Did I even bother even?
That's 2 different sounds. That's sound all. Hold on.
We gotta clean it. We gotta take this thing off too.
Look at that rack, man. They made that in the backyard, Maya.
I don't know, man. Yeah, I know. Look at this. Look at the strap for this.
Then they say, okay, you have anything in your toolbox? You have a piece of rubber? Okay, use it. You gonna spray the engine bay also?
We did spray it.
I mean,
Only-
spray over that.
Oh, that's gonna be up to the customer, to the owner. You know?
Oh, sorry. Shit, sorry.
Grease cutter.
Dog. Hey, they even use it on birds, right? Seagulls?
Birds,
Turn it on,
seagulls, dishes, cars.
That's a big shock. That's not the same shock that keeps up the back door. So guys, usually we're doing a swap or any projects, anything that comes out, we usually clean it up. Sone always makes sure to it. Ted hut.
Tension.
Tension. Hut.
Hut? What the hell is a hut? Oh my god. We need some body, man.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not doing that. Yeah.
You scrape too much off, we're gonna have holes.
Yeah, we don't want to scrape too much. We take this thing off, PJ.
You see what they did, guys?
Yes.
You see it's still messed up? Messed up. He did it.
No, it says FTK.
Oh, fabulous, right? Fabulous,
Yeah,
DK.
fabulous
Fabulous.
But that's what he is.
Mm-hmm.
Fabulous guy. Fabulous.
Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Anyways, so there she goes.
Go.
Alright, go ahead.
It's going down.
Down, down, down. Look at this. It's 25 years of.
Soot.
No, I don't know what that is.
Oh, he just put it.
Where? Alright, go ahead.
Alright, guys, about that time.
Wait.
Subframe.
Dude, we gotta take that off, dude. Cut it off. We gotta cut this thing off. Yeah, we gotta cut all.
All this right here gotta get cut out.
This
Yeah, look at
gotta
this.
come back more.
Oh, it does?
This has gotta line up with that.
No, this gotta line up with that.
Yeah.
So it's gotta be like this.
Oh yeah, you know what? If you do that, yeah, there's space right here. But then how would you get to the mount? This mount.
Exactly, it gotta get cut.
Cut out.
That's what he was talking about. You gotta cut.
Then how you got us?
Who talked about it?
Johnny? No, Hawa.
Where's he at? He needs to point what we
He don't
need
think
done.
know
he
nothing.
doesn't know, dude. He watched video. Yeah, it's easy. It's easy. You just have to
I'll send you the link.
yeah, I'll send you the link.
Man, the link don't
you
work,
sent
bro.
me. The link don't work. Alright, let me just go and watch the video. I was gonna tell you to cut that out, and then that's what we gotta do.
Let's cut it really quick right now. Let's go like this.
Hold on, but don't cut nothing of that. Don't need to. Hey.
It's obvious, dude. Alright guys, so we have to do some cutting right there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna share more updates on this coming real soon. Don't forget guys, like, subscribe. Try to get this thing moving with that GSR swap.
In your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything.
Yo, so he came all the way from Puerto Rico just to buy his all-wheel drive kit for his car. Bless up. It's Pam. I don't speak Spanish, but
de Puerto Rico.
can I ask him,
Compró todo un kit completo para su carro, se lo va a llevar para Puerto Rico y no podemos esperar a que él nos enseñe fotos. El carro de él está bien bonito, so esperen fotos, videos y todo.
Ya
Nice.
pronto, esperemos ya un mes y medio tener todo ya instalado.
Sí.
how long has he been in cars since he was a teenager? You said,
16,
right?
16 años, ¿verdad? Llevas desde...
Yo desde los 16 años estoy en la fiebre, desde que eran Suzuki 3 potes y por ahí seguimos hasta que pues tenemos tenemos dos carritos de un Civic Serie K y una Civic Serie B. Ya hizo 8.5, 183 millas.
Nice, nice. What do you say, Pam?
He was just talking about his car. His daughter's actually also into cars, so that's really awesome that it's in the family. We're very happy for that. He's also gonna come back. Well, he's also gonna order the drive shot. We're hoping for him to come back and so we can see the car. Or the team's gonna take a trip to Puerto Rico, and we're going to be able to see the car at an event. So stay tuned for that as well.
Nice, nice, nice. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. So he came by. He bought a whole entire kit, guys. I'm gonna put there's a picture of his car right here in the corner. 6 cars in his shop and everything. He's just checking out before he has to head back. Came to us just for this. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe. This is what it's all about. Love.
Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game, that's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred, we rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us, so K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SX CRX with the K24, reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, 4-4 wheel gripping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. All wheel gripping, will have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping.